In June 1757, the quiet river plains of Plassey in Bengal appear peaceful, shaped by agriculture and monsoon rhythms. Within hours, this landscape will decide the fate of a region whose wealth already attracts foreign ambition. The East India Company fields a small but professional force, combining European military doctrine with locally recruited sepoys. Discipline, cohesion, and planning define this army far more than numerical strength. Robert Clive commands with restraint and foresight, reading terrain and timing carefully. His confidence lies not in battlefield spectacle, but in preparation and controlled execution. Opposing the company stands the Nawab of Bengal's vast army, shaped by Mughal military culture, regional wealth, and overwhelming numbers, confident in strength earned through inheritance and resources. Siraj ud-Daulah rules Bengal through lineage, court culture, and wealth. His authority is ceremonial and inherited, not forged through battlefield command or military innovation. Mir Jafar's troops do not advance. This deliberate stillness removes Bengal's numerical advantage without open rebellion, introducing betrayal as the battle's unseen force. The battle begins with Bengal's artillery, its heavy guns dominating the field through force and volume, confident that power alone will overwhelm the company lines. The monsoon transforms the battlefield. Bengal's exposed artillery collapses under rain, while preparation allows the company to maintain lethal effectiveness. Prepared for Bengal's climate, company artillery continues firing steadily, converting foresight and logistics into battlefield dominance. The company infantry advances as a single organism. European drill and local manpower move together, exploiting discipline where Bengal's formations now lack coordination or unified command. With leadership fractured and Mir Jafar's division absent, Bengal's command collapses. Numbers lose meaning when coordination disappears, and the battlefield turns decisively against the Nawab. Siraj ud-Daulah's retreat removes political authority from the battlefield. His departure confirms defeat before the fighting fully ends, leaving the army leaderless and directionless. As the noise fades, the battlefield reveals its truth. The battle ends not with heroic climax, but with silence that marks the success of strategy over force. With company backing, Mir Jafar assumes the Nawab's throne. Bengal's sovereignty remains intact in appearance, but its authority now answers to foreign power. Plassey's true victory unfolds in ledgers and vaults. Bengal's immense wealth shifts to company control, redefining conquest as financial domination rather than occupation. From Bengal, the company expands beyond trade into territorial rule. Plassey marks the moment commerce transforms into empire. The Battle of Plassey ends quietly, but its consequences echo for centuries. A single day reshapes power, wealth, and history far beyond this silent field.